Hello everybody, Massey from Kson IT Solutions is here, and today we are going to talk about how to install XAMPP and WordPress and create our first website locally on our own computer. And once you get it done, I will teach you how to transfer your website to a live server. Here is to-do list for today. Download and install XAMPP, download and add WordPress files, create database for WordPress, and install WordPress. Let's get it started. First step, download and install XAMPP. What is XAMPP and why we need it? To run WordPress locally, we need a web server software like Apache. We need a programming language like PHP and a database like MySQL. XAMPP stands for Cross-Platform, Apache, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl, and it supports all we need to run WordPress locally. There are some other servers, but XAMPP is kind of simple and a very good start point. We can download them from the Apache Friends and install to our computer. So we need to go to browser apachefriends.org and choose this one actually if you have a Windows on your computer, and then it started to download. And when it downloaded, you need to go to download folder to your computer and click on that, and it automatically starts to install. If you run kind of antivirus on your computer, you might get some warning, but that's okay, just accepting. And here we go. This in Windows is very important because you can see all the XAMPP components here. What we need to run WordPress is Apache, MySQL, PHP, PHPMyAdmin. So we just check these ones and go to the next step. When the installation is done, we need to check out our language in English here, and then the XAMPP control panel comes up. So we just click on this point, start, and the color change to green, and it means it works perfectly. And then we go to the directory we install XAMPP. This is local disk C and XAMPP folder, and inside the folder there is another folder, htdocs. This is a very important folder and we will work with it a lot, so keep in mind where is that one. Okay, step 1 is done. Let's go to step 2, download and add WordPress files. And we can get the last version of WordPress from wordpress.org. And in XAMPP directory, as I show you, there is a htdocs, and when we download the WordPress, we need to copy WordPress inside this folder. And actually we need to create a new folder in htdocs and call it with the name of our website. Here we are going to create a website for a gym, so I called it my gym, and then we put the WordPress files into my gym folder. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So in browser, wordpress.org, get WordPress, and you can download from here, and it comes to your computer. And in download folder, you can find WordPress zipped file folder WordPress, and then go to local C XAMPP htdocs and create a new folder and call it my gym, and copy your WordPress zipped file inside the my gym and extract it. That's it. Next step is create a database for WordPress. To run WordPress locally, we need a database. So XAMPP support PHPMyAdmin, so we can launch PHPMyAdmin and create a database. I called it mygym_dba. And just remember the information of database, like database name, username, and password. And as it is on our local computer, we don't need to create a username and password. The default username is root, and we can leave the password like blank. And then we need to go to the WordPress folder and update wp-config.php. Let's do it together. So to open the PHPMyAdmin, we can go to XAMPP control panel and just click this one, or we can go to browser and just type localhost/phpMyAdmin, and phpMyAdmin comes up. And in database tab, we create the database and push this button, and then we need to go to XAMPP htdocs and my gems. Here is all of our WordPress files, and find out WP config sample. We create a copy of this file and call it WP config, and then open the file with Notepad, Notepad++, or whatever text editor you have in your computer, and then just update the information of the database name, mygem underline DBA, root, and we don't have password. And we save the file, and now we are ready for the last step, install WordPress. To install a WordPress, just go to the browser and type localhost /mygem, or the name of folder or your website you put, and it started to install automatically. So localhost mygem, and the WordPress comes up. So we can give a title to our website. We can change it later, but username and password here is important. We need it to log into our WordPress to change or create or change our website. And then yeah, the installation is done, and here is the WordPress dashboard, and everything is fresh and ready to start. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will have a quick look at WordPress dashboard and features, and then I'll teach you how to create your professional website very fast, very easy. Thanks for watching.